Standard 4th. Subject English. Chapter Something Special. Hi children, you must be excited for today's session.
Yes, ma'am. What are we going to learn today?
Today we will learn a lesson called Something Special.
Wow, it sounds great. What is that something special?
It is a wonderful activity that we will also do in our class. Now I will read the lesson. What does every classroom have? A board, a table, a chair, one or two cupboards, desks and benches or mats, charts, posters, calendars, and so on. We have something special in our classroom. It is a post box. Just for us. We write messages, cards and letters to our friends in the class. Then we put them in the post box. Every day, our teacher opens the post box. She looks at the names on the letters and cards and hands them out. We are planning a surprise for our teacher. She will get it on the 5th of September, Teacher's Day. Here ends the lesson. They will write what they feel for their teacher and will give them her to be opened on 5th September. She will be surprised and happy to know their feelings. Now it is activity time. Children, make a list of 10 things that you see at home.
Sofa, bed, TV, kitchen, refrigerator, fan, lights, wardrobe, iron, cooler, bookshelf, etc.
Now make a list of things in your classroom.
Desks, benches, table, chair, calendar, blackboard, duster, chalks, cupboard, wall mounting board for drawing, bucket for umbrellas, fan and lights.
Wow! Now I will show you some pictures on the screen. You have to tell me what is that picture about.
Birthday greeting cards, wedding invitation, New Year card, Diwali Festival card, Eid Festival card, Christmas card, Thanksgiving cards.
Very good children. So by this, we come to the end of our lesson.